Kung curly hair ka at pangit ka na sa buhok mo, girl, look at my curls. Iisang hair lang yon, curlies, at ang ginawa natin dyan ay nag-style tayo ng ating buhok. Yung mga buhaghag na hair natin, kailangan lang yan ng moisture at kailangan lang din natin yan lagyan ng styling products para gumanda yung buhok natin. In this video, binabasa lang natin ulit yung buhok natin kasi pag nagsa-style tayo ng hair, dapat basa para talaga ma-absorb ng hair natin yung moisture from the products na gagamitin natin. Naglalagay ako dito ng Lux Organics Curl and Define Essence para ma-hold yung definition from the brush styling na ginawa ko sa aking curls. Kung wala kayong brush na pwedeng gamitin to style your hair, pwede naman kayong mag-praying hand method, maglalagay lang kayo ng product sa hair ninyo, then do the scrunching technique. Once we are done styling our hair per section, maglalagay naman ako ng Lux Organics Hair Mousse for added volume and softness sa hair ko. Then, scrunch your curls. Do not skip scrunching dahil dito lalabas yung ating natural curl patterns. Then, I will plop my hair for 10 to 15 minutes tsaka ako magpapatuyo ng hair ko using hair blower with diffuser. And here's the final result. O, diba? Very shiny, very bouncy, and very defined yung curls ko. Every time na gumagamit ako ng combo ng Lux Organics Curl and Define Essence, grabe, I super love my hair after.